who stood at the very top of Illinois state government, stands convicted of 10 counts of bribery and corruption.
Federal prosecutors declaring victory after jurors find Michael Madigan guilty on conspiracy, wire fraud, and bribery charges, one of the most powerful political bosses in Illinois history, guilty on 10 criminal counts, including, among other things, count 2 conspiracy related to ComEd and count 4 bribery related to the alleged scheme to send payments from ComEd to Madigan allies. The former Speaker of the Illinois House not guilty on 7 counts, including another bribery charge in count 3, and not guilty when it comes to Madigan's attempted extortion charge. But jurors deadlocked on 6 other counts, most significantly the overarching count 1 racketeering conspiracy charge.
How are you feeling, Mr. Madigan?
How are you?
I'm doing very well.
You're the one we're concerned about. Let's go.
Michael Madigan shortly after his conviction this afternoon at Chicago's federal courthouse. After 11 days of deliberations and a 4-month-long trial, jurors delivering their verdict, Mr. Madigan, nicknamed the Sphinx, absorbing the verdict with no visible reaction.
Serious, at Madigan's serious face and just stoic.
Bribery, whether it's the old-fashioned cash stuffed in an envelope or the more refined version practiced by Madigan, is still illegal, it's still corrupt, and it's still against the law.
16 of the original 23 counts in the criminal indictment, the direct result of secretly recorded conversations with now former Alderman Danny Solis, who came with a host of personal problems, a flawed but obviously effective star witness for the chief of the U.S. Attorney's Public Corruption Section, Amar Bachu, and his team of seasoned government prosecutors who worked to rehabilitate Solis.
The government didn't pick Danny Solis. The defendants picked Danny Solis.
Mike never intended to break the law.
Mike McLean's defense team thumbs up after today's verdict. Madigan's alleged political fixer, McLean, leaving the building after jurors were completely deadlocked on all 6 of his criminal counts. Jurors unable to agree on count 1, counts 19 and 20, which involve wire fraud related to the alleged Chinatown scheme and tax business for Madigan's private law firm. The jury also had an impasse on bribery and conspiracy charges, though Michael McLean still awaits sentencing in another trial, the 2023 conviction of the ComEd 4. Several of the charges against Michael Madigan carrying maximum 20-year prison sentences. A sentencing date has not yet been set. At the Dirksen Federal Building, Julian Cruz, WGN News.